Alright, because I'm a glutton for punishment, I'm doing this again. I'm going to try to follow some of the things that I found on the internet. Every time I work with this stuff, I remember why I don't like working with this stuff. But I'm so interested in the molding side of the hobby that I really would like to add it to my skill set. It's just not something I enjoy. And I think, you know, maybe that's an important point, is why am I doing it if I don't enjoy it? I don't know. I feel like there's some secret in it that I can find if I keep trying. So what we're gonna do, we're gonna knead up some more green stuff. Once I get it mixed, I'm going to try to press it and then kind of squeeze it instead of folding it. I found the folding was the problem with getting creases and splits in the mold. So we're going to try to fix that. I'm going to put the petroleum jelly or Vaseline, whatever you like to call it, I'm going to put it into the mold lightly with a brush instead of onto the green stuff. And hopefully that will get a good coating in there. And then I'm going to press really hard. Probably going to set something on top of it and then let it sit while the green stuff sets up. So I'm going to kind of follow some more rules. I've been able to get away with just winging it with this stuff in the past, but I'm thinking this time maybe that's not going to cut it, since I'm doing a little bit more involved kind of thing. All right, just kind of squishing it to reveal those cracks if I can. I'm gonna give her a dunk and try to smooth it out without pressing too hard. A little bit of texture in there I'm gonna live with. I just don't want fingerprint texture in there. All right, I think that's good enough. Let's get this going. It's supposed to be sparing according to my research. I'm just going to try to get it coated in there good. We're going to try the grave gold too. I'm trying to go for some kind of salvaged success here. So I feel like those thin details on the Petrapod are a little bit beyond what I can get to my liking right now. I have no doubt that if I practiced, I could get it, but I'm kind of interested to see if we can produce a good product, even if it's not the mold that I'm wanting to use. So that's what we're gonna do. All right, green stuff, let's see what you got this time. Get a little more water. I'm gonna roll him out a little bit oblong. All right, look, here we go. I can already tell this isn't gonna look great. Let's get him spread out here good. There we go. All right. That felt pretty good. We'll be back to figure out how it came out. Okay, we have waited what I have arbitrarily deemed as a reasonable amount of time for this to set up. And we're gonna check and see how our grave ghoul has come out. I'm getting some good separation, so that's exciting. Something I didn't have earlier. All right, let's see. There is some suction. I'm nervous. There is some movement and some twisting. I'm going to say it's not hardened up as much as it needs to be. I'm just kind of twisting and prying here. Just about got it. See, Vaseline. It's not wedged onto it, so that's good. Hey, that's not too bad. So we've got Vaseline texture. Maybe we can cover that up. Some poorly mixed green stuff here. It's still soft. I'm gonna say because the air is not getting to it inside the mold. All right, let's see if I can pry this guy out of here without destroying him. He's definitely flexing. You know, I think we have something usable here. And I think we should give it a little more time. So I'm just gonna let it set up a little while longer. Maybe tomorrow.